half, and then I hook into monsters like this. This is a nicer one. This is a big one. I got a nice one. Frickin' wiper, let's go. All right guys, we're on the Ohio River. I'm here with Barbell Outdoors. He's going to show us how to catch some hybrid stripers, maybe some white bass, and what else, bud?
We got a chance to run into some sauger. Really, it all depends on the size of bait we're throwing. The bigger we get, the more stripers, more hybrids we're gonna get. The smaller we go, really anything could show up.
Awesome, dude. I'm really looking forward to this. You ready to get it, bud?
Yeah, let's do it, man.
Let's do it.
Yeah, there's all the gar popping right there.
Tons of gar over there. Oh, I see them, yeah. Okay.
Hey, you see all those gar?
I'm like on an episode of River Monsters right now, I feel like. All right, what I'm going to use is one of these baits that I made. This Angling AI mold. It's a 4-inch swim bait, just a white color, and I'm throwing it on a 1/4 ounce jig head. These fish are popping all over the surface, mostly skipjack from what I'm told. They didn't want the big swim bait, so I'm going to throw this guy out here. So the idea is to bump this off the bottom or something, or
just keep it moving.
Yeah.
You don't want it on the bottom because I don't know if you see all these rocks.
Yeah.
It's like this all the way down.
Okay.
So it's not necessarily something you want to have right on the bottom, but pretty much as close as you can.
All right.
There you go.
Oh yeah, got him. Oh, he got off, dude.
Pretty good though, right?
Yeah, dude, that was a hybrid, I bet. Oh, son of a gun.
There's one for that. This is a small one. That water bottle pulls you in that current, but that's a little guy. There's a lot bigger out there. That's a nice one for sure. Yeah, video, man. Come on. It's okay. That's more about the size that I would say is standard here. Nice. Decent one. Plastic still there, that's good.
About lost my camera, my nice Canon camera.
Yeah.
Twice, dude. I had it, I was releasing a crappie next to a little spillway by my house, slid in the water, got my leg wet. And then the second time, it fell off my little tripod as I was walking through rocks like this. And as it fell out, I kicked it with my foot softly into my book bag to save it. God bless America. And I got it all on video, dude. I about had a panic attack. I'm going to downsize real quick.
Yeah, cast so right up against this wall here.
Yep. Come on, I want one so bad. Got him.
There you go. There you go. We got one on the board.
There we go. Nice. This is good eating size too.
Yeah, that would be like perfect eating size. Oh yeah, and we got some bigger ones showing up in here too.
Here we go, first fish of the day. Nice little white bass. Hell yeah, guys. Thanks for putting me on, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Appreciate it.
Bigger ones than that, don't worry.
All I had to do was downsize and throw where they're at.
Get it deep enough. So just go.
Got him.
Double up.
Double? This one feels nice, dude.
You know, they feel nice, but a lot of times they really ain't that big.
Yeah. Oh, lost him. Dang it. Double, almost doubled. Well, we did double, but I just failed. Got him. There we go, another one. A little smaller, a little decent white bass. These things put up a hell of a fight, guys. This is like the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life.
That's what I said.
By the way.
And let it sink for maybe 10 to 20 seconds. You almost are guaranteed to not get a hit that whole cast. That drop is the most important time. Oh, something.
Got him.
Oh, that's a decent one.
Yeah, this is
Not bad at all.
it's a nice one. Yes. Beautiful white bass here, man. These guys fight so dang hard. Loving it out here. Look at all this activity, guys. It don't get any better than this. Jake's on another one. On the spoon.
That's why, dude. I after using this Premier, I can't go back to anything else. I can rip fish out of there like nothing.
Yeah.
It's so parabolic.
Oh, got him. Dude, he feels nice. Oh, is that current?
There's some bigger ones moving in. We got a shot at it.
Ooh.
Look at that skip there. That's a big old skip. He's on one. I just got one.
Look at this, boys.
Yeah, showing us.
Ooh, got him.
On that wall.
Switched up to the white rooster tail that Jake gave me. First cast, I got one. Did I cast over you?
No.
Cool, cool. I got one.
It's the fall.
What is this?
I don't know, it's a river carp sucker, or maybe I'm not sure exactly what kind. I'd have to look at the scales, but it's either a river carp sucker or a high fin carp sucker.
Beautiful colors on this guy, though. This is cool.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah.
See, the funny thing is, like, here I am waiting all year for the white bass run.
Yeah. No.
A paddle back a mile and a half, and then I hook into monsters like this. This is a nicer one. This is a big one. This is a big one. Doubled up. Dude. Look at this. Is this a hybrid?
That's actually a really big white bass.
Dude, this is a huge white bass.
I have no idea what I have on here. Look at it. It's not even moving.
All right, boys, this is what it's all about. We are slaying nice white bass out here, guys. Look at this chunk. This is probably a 15-inch fish right here. Look at these beautiful colors.
Oh no!
No! Jake's hooked up again.
Yeah, I'm wrapped around you. This is gonna be a big mess when we get this in. Alright.
Thing's taking him down the freaking river, boys.
Well, he's about to get in the current that's heading towards me, so. It's actually funny, I was on his line, so I burned it in. I was just ripping it in. I didn't even feel him hit. He might be snagged. Feels like he's hooked normal though. Okay, bro.
Don't do that, don't do that. He has a fish. Oh, okay. I'm stuck on that.
Let's go. Big hybrid coming up.
He got all the way back out there.
Yeah, don't pull you out there.
You know, that's one thing. I've never been spooled here. There you go, Nick. Hi. Oh, come on. Oh, and that's going to be a bad one, too.
Dude, snagged in another line.
Oh!
No.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, I got a nice one. Dude, this is a hybrid. Oh no.
I'm on you there.
Oh no.
Oh, we're off. This one feels nice. Yeah, this might be the fish of the day on this setup. Yes. Let's go,
Nice hybrid,
baby.
man.
Nice hybrid, guys. These things are so freaking fun to catch, dude.
Get out your side.
Dude, that's fantastic. Thank you.
I got a quick key. You're not going, man. Thank you, guys. Yeah.
All right, what'd you catch that on, bud?
All right, so I'm using white rooster tail that Jake from Barbell Outdoors gave me. It's a little jacked up.
Hey, are we using the same one? Is that the same one?
Nope, almost. Mine's a little bigger. That's what she said. Tearing them up on this rooster tail, man. That was the nicest one I got so far on this rooster tail.
Nice.
What's this?
You're just coasting it down the wall here, right?
Yeah, that point right there, they seem to be stacked up. They're pushing the bait fish
There we go.
right into this wall, and they're also eating Paul's rooster tail.
What's up, Cincy fish dudes? A little white.
Yeah, that's a decent dog.
Holy smokes. Got him. Yes, sir. I lost track, dude. I like those days where you don't even count the fish. You just keep catching them.
Oh, yeah. I think it would be fun, though. I have thought about bringing, like, a baseball counter.
Yeah.
Got that shit those days.
Another nice white bass. I got a big one. This one feels nice. Oh, drum. You want this?
Yeah, okay.
All right.
Take a dinner, man.
Got drum.
Try to lip a drum. That's funny.
Today.
Nice drum. Hold on, bro. First drum I've ever caught, guys. Look at this freaking thing.
Nice pick with your PB drum.
PB drum. Let's go.
Number one here.
Beautiful drums. Nah, I'm good. I don't care.
Go all the way out there. Got a smallie.
Yeah, he did.
Random smallie.
The closer you get to the wall, the more smallies you'll get.
Oh, look at the more smallie out there.
I know.
They look like small ones.
You see someone's float over there?
Come on, come on, come here, come here, come here. That didn't take long.
No. Once you get it,
They'll hit top water. At this point, they're out the wall. Here, grab it.
Holy smokes, this thing is a big boy. Oh boy.
That's a saltwater reel.
you said that's an Ortega? What is that?
That's a Stella.
Stella?
That's a top of the line of Shimano.
Oh, yeah.
I hope I don't get snagged up. Yeah, dude.
Dog it up. Dog it up.
Yeah, my forearm's cramping.
Dude.
Put it in your crotch, under your crotch. Be easier. There you go. You're all the way out. He took you all the way out there.
That looks like a nicer one.
Oh yeah.
Oh, he's coming back to us.
Get him, son.
He's coming right back to the wall.
Do the net job here in a sec. There he is. Ooh, that's the next one.
Is this my first hybrid?
Baby.
Woo!
You got 2 PBs today?
Yes, dude. Yes, let's.
Worth the ride?
Yes, sir. Bro, I just caught a monster. Woo! My first hybrid ever.
Oh my God.
Dude, thank you so much, Jake, for taking me out here.
Hey,
Thanks,
thanks, Johnny,
Johnny,
too.
for letting me
No
hook
problem,
up
man.
to this monster. PB freaking hybrid. Let's go. Johnny on the spot. Dude, I love it. Thank you so much, brother. This might be my best fishing day ever.
Another double up, wow.
Triple up. There you go. Now you get him skating.
That's how you gotta get it.
I know.
Dude, this hurts.
Get him on top.
You see this?
I know.
Hurts. I got it, Paul. I got it. Don't worry.
That's a nice one.
That's pretty good.
Nice one. Get on the. There you
There you go. Not a bad one. 2-3 pounds, maybe, if that, but it's a fun one. That's closer to a 2-striper too. Nice. Sweet.
That big boy go. Matt's on one himself.
This is non-stop action, guys. Holy crap. All freaking day.
Yeah, that's chunk.
Yo, we freaking tore them up today at that dam, boys. I'm telling you what, Jake from Barbell Outdoors freaking put me on the fish. I got 3 personal bests today. 3 PBs in 1 trip. The first one, not a big deal at all. It's just my first drum ever. But hey, it fought hard. It was probably 4.5 pounds if I were to guess. I also caught my personal best white bass, 16, 17 inches long, Fish, Ohio. Let's go, baby. And to top that off, boys, I got on my first hybrid striper. Boys, it was freaking crazy, man. I had a blast out here with Barbell Outdoors and Paul from Cincy Fish Dudes and Matt from Matt's Fishing Mission. Outstanding time, guys. I appreciate you guys bringing me out here. We're going out to lunch at the Governor here in Milford, and should be a good one, man. I appreciate you guys watching. If you do like this video, smash the thumbs up. If you like for me to do some more of that kind of content, let me know in the comments below. I appreciate you guys watching. If you guys haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. It will really help my channel grow. Until the next time, peace.